Hey, as you know, I don't have very much long to explain this, but I'm gonna have to use this kind of microphone for the unforeseeable future, cause this little dinosaur decided to crap out. Which really means I need to start looking for a better desktop microphone. As I'm not sure how this one's gonna last, considering it's been thrashed around everywhere, back and forth, and the fact that I had some microphone issues regarding me being on Queen Derpy's stream while I was going to the bathroom, being AFK, and my computer decided, you know what, fuck it. Let this and that Kurisu ruin his microphone and to make his life a little bit more harder. So, yeah, I'm doing this. So, I gotta, quit, upload this, get back to the Premiere thing. This is going to be quite annoying. But I think I can work with this for a little while. I believe this will work. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to look for a new desktop microphone. But I think I can make it work. What do you guys think of this new microphone system for me? Let me know in the comments. I think it'll work fine for now. But I'm not banking on it on the success quite yet. But I'm gonna give it a try. If not, then I'm gonna have to look for a new desktop microphone because this one cracked and gave itself out at a worst opportune time while I needed to go to the bathroom. So anyway, I'm gonna try my best to have a good day. I got my Geoforce straightener with me. See? All I'm buying and ready to go. Yep. So my microphone wrapped down on me, but luckily I still have a new one. Hopefully that'll work. And hopefully it won't give me as much trouble as it would the other microphone. We'll have to see, won't we? Have a good day, everyone.